Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Uh, no, that would be it. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Bye. Uh, no, that would be it. That was weird. Morning, Katie.
Morning, Andrew.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well.
Did you have a good weekend?
I did. Yeah, I spent the still kind of sore from it. I spent the weekend in the woods chasing deer down by Grantsburg, and
Oh,
came home empty-handed. So it's a damn good thing my two sons they each got deer in the youth hunt, so we won't starve this winter.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, can you guys hear me all right?
Yes. Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Morning, Leah.
Good morning.
So I'm an ace, just so you guys know that. I've now hit 5 deer, so I'm an ace.
Nice. So no starving at your house, huh?
No, didn't retrieve any of them.
Oh, no?
I'm not so much a hunter, I'm a gatherer, so I got one of those.
Okay.
I got one of those.
Nice.
Although I don't say no if anybody sends some deer meat my way. So are we expecting Attorney Anderson to appear?
I believe he just joined. We can't see him yet, but Bruce, can you hear us?
I can hear you. I don't know why I'm not on video. Let me try it. Another spot here. There
Okay.
we go.
There you go.
Morning.
Good morning, all.
Good morning. So Minnesota, Wisconsin are grieving the losses that it endured yesterday, I guess, huh? If you're a football fan.
Yeah, my Lions, I mean, I think they got beat 20-0 by a terrible Carolina Panthers team. So I'm coming home empty-handed out of the woods without a deer from Wisconsin, and then the Lions, acting like that. It was a hard weekend, Your Honor.
Then my Badgers got beat up on Saturday. It was a rough weekend all around.
Yeah. Badgers got beat by Northwestern too.
Yeah,
They always struggle at Northwestern.
Yeah.
Northwestern's a good team.
Sure. Andrew, on the note concerning your Lions, we've got a fringe relative who is he's not a coach, but he's Matt Patricia's assistant. He's a gopher.
Okay.
And, he definitely says he'll be looking for a new job.
Oh, okay.
Apparently,
He's gonna brush up his resume, huh?
I think so. Yeah.
Hey, it's I mean, the crazy thing about pro football, I mean, you gotta produce. I mean,
Yep.
I mean, look at McCarthy. I mean, Packers showed him the door like halfway through the season, didn't they? Like a year or two ago or something like that.
I believe so. Yep.
Yeah. Morning, Ashley.
Morning.
How are you doing, Ashley?
I'm good. How are you doing?
We're doing all right. Hanging in there, so to speak.
That's good.
All right. It's 9 o'clock. Are we expecting anyone else?
Not from the defense.
Okay, Mr. Adams?
I don't anticipate us expecting anyone else, Your Honor.
All right. Read the case, please.
We are here in the interest of the St. Croix tribe versus the Oustigoff. Case number is 20-CV-205. Honorable Stephen Bully is presiding. The appearance to record, Your Honor, are for the tribe, Andrew Adams, Ashley Duffy, Leah Jers, and for the defendant, we have Bruce Anderson. Is Oliva?
He is
with you?
not.
Okay. And observing, we have Attorney John Voorhees.
Mr. Anderson, is your client going to appear?
He is not.
Okay. Mr. Adams, how do you want to proceed with this?
Yes, Your Honor. So with Mr. Oustigoff's non-appearance, and after, I mean, he definitely had notice, and then we also have his counsel of record here at the hearing today, also saying that Mr. Oustigoff does not plan on attending or defending himself in the action. The tribe would respectfully move the court, Your Honor, for a default judgment against Mr. Oustigoff, and we have a motion and a supporting affidavit that we're prepared to file with the court immediately.
Mr. Anderson?
I've not seen those yet, but my client is choosing to default.
All right.
Yeah, and I can circulate those. I can circulate those right now, Your Honor. Yeah, so I just sent those, Your Honor, to everyone that's on the call, and to the court staff. And I mean, the tribe takes the standpoint that under the tribal court code section 311, B as in boy, that the court definitely has the authority to issue a default judgment against Mr. Oustigoff. I mean, it anticipates that that's a power of the court in a situation such as this, and I mean, given the circumstances, Your Honor, I don't know if it. I believe it's reasonable for the court to do that. I mean, it could do it now. It could do it. The court could, take it under advisement. And then I also provided an affidavit that essentially lays out so the complaint alleges that Mr. Oustigoff received $14,583.20 in improper disbursements, and the affidavit also lays out the total legal fees that have been incurred by the tribe to date in the case, and those total $16,155.
And presumably, I've not gotten them yet. Presumably, those are related to the Leva Oustigoff case.
Yeah, yes, Bruce. They were. We calculated the amount that led up to like the filing of the complaint, and then, you know, have provided a breakdown of hours of the amount of time that Leah and I have worked on the case from, you know, the filing of the complaint until now. So.
Okay. I still haven't received the documents. Has anyone got them?
I do not.
Yeah, it says they went on my side. I can,
I'll refresh.
okay.
Got one.
And I can also screen share them also. Did you say you received them, Bruce?
I did. I'm gonna
Okay.
have my assistant.
Okay.
Did you get them, Judge Boley?
I have not. However, I don't think I need them.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is this. Is in part due to Mr. Anderson's statement that his defendant is not going to contest these allegations, and due to the fact that the defendant is not here or present for this hearing, the court is going to enter default judgment in favor of the tribe. I'm going to ask Mr. Adams to draft an order that states that, including the amount of money, and he's going to share that with Mr. Anderson. I'm going to want you guys to come up with a mutually agreeable order. If there's a point you cannot come to an agreement on, get back to the court. We'll schedule a hearing on that. Once you come to an agreement on what that order should look like, you'll send it to me and I'll print it up and I'll sign it and I'll get it back to the court. Any questions on this?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Anderson?
Not at this time.
All right. So I'm going to expect Mr. Anderson and Mr. Adams to come up with what a joint order, what an order is going to look like. And then when you come to an agreement as to the level that you can, get it to me. I'll send it to Katie and Katie will get it to me. Let's do it that way. All right. How soon will we be able to do that?
I'm sorry, what was that, Your Honor?
How soon will I be able to get that order?
Your Honor, I believe I believe, Your Honor, we could have a draft of the order to Attorney Anderson definitely within a week's time, if not sooner than that, for him to take a look at, and then barring any complications with that proposed order, you know, I would assume we can have it in your hands, say in 10 or 11 calendar days.
Works for me.
That's reasonable.
All right, let's do that. All right, with that, again, the court is entering a default judgment in favor of the tribe. Find the defendant, Leva Oustigoff, guilty of violating St. Croix Code of Laws as outlined in the petition that was filed by the tribe on the 24th of March, 2020. My only statement is in your relief, not to exceed the amount that is already put on the table. Okay. I'm not doing anything else. I'm going to adjourn this hearing. You guys have a good day. Court's adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Hold on, Judge Boley, this is Katie.
Yes.
And just when you do draft the order, Andrew,
Yes.
we gotta add the court fees as well.
How much are the fees, Katie?
They're 150.
Okay.
Okay, so noted. Anything else? Katie?
No, that's it.
All right, Katie, if you can give me a call later on, I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, talk to you guys later. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thanks for allowing me to participate and observe. Thanks. Andrew, can you still hear me?
Yes.
Is there any chance we could talk? Do you have any good times?
Yeah, we could, if you want to try and talk, like a settlement, John, my client's not, they have not been interested in any type of settlement. So I don't want to lead you on or be disingenuous about like the council's intent. They've shot every single one of them down that I've walked, to them.
Okay, well, I understand that. I would, maybe I could come on here.